What is going on, guys? It is Connor back with another episode on a bright and sunny day. And first off, I want to say, if you guys notice a difference in quality, I am on a brand new Sony a7R III. There's a big rig that's holding up the camera now. It's very heavy, but I wanted to get the quality up on the channel. So now we're rocking 4K with an audio setup, everything else like that. So please, if you guys like the quality of it, let me know down below. Let me know if it's different than the last one. I don't really think you guys are gonna notice, but I notice in editing that it looks a lot better. So I just wanted to say we're on a new camera. I'm pulling out all the stops for you guys to bump up quality on the channel, and I just want to let you guys know that this is how the videos are going to look. It's probably not that much different, to be honest, but you guys may notice that it's not as shaky. It might not give you motion sickness anymore. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Now, I've always been super thankful because people have always commented that I've really done well with the quality of the channel, especially for being a small one, and I take really high pride in that. I just want to keep it up and bump up the quality, get you guys the best content that I can put out, and today is no different. I really want to do something special for this video in particular. So without further ado, let's open up this package right here and get right into the episode. Now, I know you guys aren't stupid, so you already read the title. This is from my friends at Tailored Auto Styling. This is a custom livery kit for the GTR. We're going to be wrapping the GTR, obviously, as the title says. I'm so excited because when I bought this car, it was kind of boring that it was black to me. I really wanted something else other than the color, but the black has grown on me, but I'm already bored of it. So in the mail, we got this. It's been sitting for about 2 weeks because I've been out of town, but I finally have time to do it. The weather is beautiful. So let's go ahead, open this up, and I'm going to show you guys what the GTR is about to look like. This is Tailored Auto Styling's DIY livery kit, and you guys will have to mind the voiceover here. Basically, we're going to be wrapping the GTR, and as I started shooting this, my friend showed up in this clip. I was really excited because I wanted my friends to help with all these rolls, and so here I'm basically just explaining that you can piece together a DIY kit on their website. They'll ship it out to you, and it's very easy to pick and choose what you want. I was really excited because the design looked really good, and so I kind of went off of that. I took what I wanted, I took what I didn't, and basically I really made it my own type of car. So right now my friends are rolling up in this video and they were going to help install, so we're just going to go ahead and cut to the next part. Alright, so first off, a bunch of promo stickers from them. These are actually awesome. I really like this one. Definitely going to be putting these on the GTR because these guys are so supportive. I really like all of them, but I think that first one is my favorite, just the one that says tailored. So inside here we have the little bundles that we made, and you can kind of get a sneak peek of what's going to go on. Every little bundle is in there, so obviously we're going to be building it, but here's the kicker. This is a little sneak peek of what the GTR is going to look like, but I'm just going to give you guys a sneak peek for now. Continue watching the video. First off, we need to wash the car, and we need to get all the dirt off of it. I haven't washed this car in like 3 weeks, so really quick we're going to wash it, make sure that our surface is all clean. Unfortunately, it is a super bright day, so not the best day to wash the car, but it's the only time I have, so let's go ahead and just wash this thing real fast. Before we get into the actual wrapping process, I just wanted to remind you guys what the GTR used to look like before the wrap. Now again, you guys are going to have to excuse the voiceover, but I thought that this was so much fun that I really just didn't take time to stop and record audio while everybody was over. In the background, you saw a blue Focus RS. My buddy Nathan came over, my friends Jacob and Diana came over, and my brother is here helping me as well with the main branch in this scene. He had his kids over, and it was really just a fun time for everybody to come over to my driveway, hang out, work on the car, and just kind of enjoy each other's company. So you'll have to excuse the voiceover because I was kind of living in the moment there. After we installed that main branch, I was already in love with the setup that was happening. My vision was kind of coming to life, and it was really fun because you could pick each branch individually. So here you can see us kind of deciding what we wanted to do with the branches and how we wanted to do the design. What was really cool is that I know that the design that I picked out and the branches that I used, nobody's going to be copying me. Nobody's going to mimic me branch for branch. So it was really fun to come up with our own design that really was what I envisioned on the car. And so we made our little custom cuts to make the branches mesh well, and it was really fun to just kind of work out with my brother. Now, after we laid out all the branches onto the main branch, we really just started moving on and just piecing it together piece by piece. This didn't take long, but coming up with the vision and making sure that I was happy with it as we were going was really funny. We also had my nephew here, as you can see, and he was inspecting things, making sure that things were good. So it was really just a family event to kind of put this together. And honestly, guys, that makes it so much more better. I love that all my friends were involved with this, so it was really fun. Now, after I was satisfied with the branches, I moved on to the flowers, and the flowers needed to be on the branches as trees are. We weren't ready for the petals yet, and so basically it was just a matter of peeling off those flowers and sticking them on. It really is so easy, guys. There's nothing really to tell you here. It was easy. Just take the stickers and put them on. And as the day progressed, things just started looking better and better on each side. I kind of got more comfortable with where I wanted to put the flowers, where I wanted to put more branches. We added in one at the front of the fenders, and man, it just looks so good after a little bit. This only took about 20 minutes. It was really easy to do, and we were having a great time doing it. This was something that was so simple but so easy that I'm just so happy that we did it, and it did help that I had other people there. The main branch definitely was not the easiest thing to do by myself, but it was doable. I taped it up initially by myself and just had my brother peel back the vinyl sticker on the back, but it was really fun because we had everybody add in a flower, add in petals, and just that made it so special that everybody was helping me out with this. Now, after we wrapped up the passenger side, it was time to move over to the driver's side, and this time we decided to do a time lapse. Again, it was super easy. It took about 20 to 25 minutes to do this and change the entire look of the car. Really the same process. Lay down the main vinyl, add in your secondary vinyl, and add in any decals on top of that. Make sure the car is clean as you do it. We wiped it down beforehand, and really it just changes the entire look of your car. If you guys are interested in doing something very similar to your car, check out Tailored Auto Styling online. Use my code Connor.Nation and get a livery kit sent out to you. You'll receive a discount by using my code. If you guys want to change it up for the summer, now's your time to do it. It's really easy, as you can see in this video. Grab some mates, do it yourself. It doesn't really matter. It's very simple, and it changes the look around completely. I really like the quality of the vinyl. It's withstood a couple rainy days in Washington. I've had it on for about 2 weeks now. I'm a little bit behind in editing this video, but it's endured the weather and it has received so many compliments. A lot of people love the GTR now. They love the Sang, and it's just really special. Now the final thing that I wanted to do was add on a window banner for these guys just to show my support for them, and hopefully you guys do too. Check out their website. Again, use my discount code if you guys see anything that you like. But that concluded everything wrapping on the GTR, and now it's time for some sweet B-roll. And that's going to do it for today's episode, guys. If you guys enjoy this, please leave a like down on the video. Go check out Tailored Auto Styling and use my code for a discount if you want to get something similar done to your car. Again, this is an off-the-shelf kit. Everything that I did in this, besides the Love People Not Things saying that was custom made by them, is something that you can just pick up on their website. Please don't copy me exactly. It'll hurt my feelings if you copy me exactly, but go check out their website, check out the color combos that they have. Pick something up and use my code if you guys want a discount. They're really local to the Pacific Northwest, so please check them out if you're around the area. And I like supporting local companies, so please do the same if you guys can. Man, this thing just looks awesome. I'm so excited to show you guys what's coming up for the GTR. We're getting into the summer series of car shows and whatnot. I'm really excited to be taking this thing out every weekend, and I've had the time, so some more videos will be coming out soon. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.